Right.
I've just had 2 panos.
Have you?
They're nice.
I'm just going through the glove part.
For sake, mate, honestly. It's still true.
You know what the best part about it is?
What?
You're having that whole conversation about how gloves are bad, and then you've got your hands
Yeah,
in your sleeve like this.
I didn't say they were bad though. You got to put in the bit that I said if they're good gloves. They're just making me sound like a twat.
Right, I'll leave that uploading, and I'm going to head next door for some cheese on toast.
Hello.
Oh.
Ah! Get back.
Yeah, I'll just see one.
You got hair again. I didn't notice.
Did actually.
Let's not talk of the pancakes, shall we?
Ever again, apart from when everyone starts commenting in about 3 hours' time.
Oh, crikey. Sit.
What are you doing, man? Like a rabbit.
I love you. Say.
Okay. Hey, yeah.
Martin, go a little faster next time.
Try Charles roast.
That's actual ice. Shall I write you a message?
No, please don't, because it won't go away.
I'm.
Oh, come on. That's going to be there forever now.
It's not. Why will it be there forever?
Because it's winter and it will never unfreeze.
Mate, how
I've not got a scraper.
I have got a scraper, but what about the stuff that comes out of here?
Oh, I didn't put the winter one in.
That's what I mean.
Shit. I've got the blue, you need the pink.
I don't know what I've got, probably blue. Probably the shit one.
They'll freeze.
Sick.
I think they only go to -5.
Mm.
Alright, I'll see you in the morn.
Okay,
Try not to die. There you go, folks. You've seen ice outside, and in here it is 19 degrees right now. Outside it is -2. That's cold. Oh, day. It is -1 out there, but at least it's sunny. See if any birds come along to my thing today. Alright, just having a quick sarnie, and we're going to get on the road, I think. We're going to put in another big drive now, I reckon. Heading for Oradorsa Glen. I'll show Marie around that. Monsieur? Oh, I'm gonna have to get diesel again.
You joking?
No.
Why?
Won't get there on what I've got.
Serious?
My sock. No.
It's actually quite decent. He's an idiot.
He's given up.
What are you doing? Get up.
Alright, Right, the spot is calculated. 221. Bonjour.
Radio check.
You ready to roll?
Yeah.
I'm going to charge radio check 26k on this road.
Okay, bye for now.
It's coffee break o'clock. It's 2.5 hours so far.
It doesn't feel like I've been driving.
2 hours to go.
Like Wolf scale on this road, isn't it?
Mostly why I didn't really want to pull up for my life. To Belloc, and then we hit D675 down to Hoot, then Shibba then Jabbadat, then there. 618 kilometres
Where's?
to Sham. Said about when you're driving across country, you get to watch the landscape change as you go. That's something you miss out on in a plane. So this is like the new town, which they built like next to the old one. There we go, we made it. Sunset spot, air over there somewhere. Jobs are good. Right, went to the wrong spot. Oh well. We're not on the other side of town. There's another place right next to like the museum bit. Might as well go there. No point in it staying here. There's an air just there, but you have to pay for it. So kind of pointless, really. It's only down the road a bit anyway, so let's go have a look. Should we fill up now as soon as we're driving next to it again?
Yeah, might as well.
window down, you pleb. I don't even know if I'm going to have enough for mine, you know.
What? Did you not check how much money you got?
No.
Benz.
Why should I?
I mean.
What if you've got no money? We've got no money. Okay. How much should I put in? Because I'm really nervous it'll overflow. Good.
What did you put, like?
£50 in.
Yeah.
55?
There it is, mate. Straight ahead.
Oh, is it?
This is better. Right across the road from it. Right, it's time to get an edit on after I've warmed it up a bit in here. Yeah, I'll explain a bit more about this place tomorrow, if in case anyone doesn't know about it, which you probably don't. I know a few people do because it's been mentioned in the comments, but yeah, if you don't know what happened here, it's pretty grim, to be honest. But I'll make a video on it tomorrow anyway for you. Alright, catch up in a minute once I've made this video. Yeah, I'm going by your advice, mate. It's winter, so we should be cold in our house.
Mate, you pushed that in so hard, look. We're never going to get that out.
Can't we just use the corkscrew?
Well, yeah, I'm so glad I've not seen them in it, because I don't like it when I ruin it. I don't like it when I ruin it.
Chin chin, cheers to alcoholism. You not noticed the lighting situation? How much better it is?
Is it better? It just looks quite dark for me.
Yeah, but remember these two spotlights in your eyeballs all night?
Yeah, maybe. Well, you're going to keep them on all night?
Huh?
Not all night, but you're going to keep them
No,
on?
but one switch used to turn them, and them on.
Okay.
Now not these, because they're shit, but I need another switch just
but
for
what
them.
happens when you do need them?
I need a switch. It's loads better.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
That's how it was.
Oh yes, don't like that
Yeah, see?
at all.
That's how it was before. We'll figure this travelling business out, because everyone makes the same mistake. They don't leave until they have this magical sustainable income that just never happens. So we're here now, so now we've got to figure it out.
Yeah, I know.
It's the best way. Just need enough money to get by. That's it.
Yeah, I feel like we've been a bit.
Yeah, because
we've been spending quite a little bit.
this last shop that we did was the first one that I actually normally do.
Yeah.
Apart from the wine, I never normally drink when I'm on here. When I was travelling before, my budget was so low because I didn't drink. I only ate from cans. Obviously I still made meals, but it's mainly like pasta stuff. Mate, that ain't that nice, you know.
Why is not
That pesto,
Yeah, pesto.
that red shit,
Yeah, pesto.
it don't actually taste very nice.
Do you want me to go get another one?
It's too late, it's in there.
Why is it not good? How can you go wrong? It's just.
Well, there's no go wrong, it just doesn't taste right.
It tastes like curry. What are you putting?
The one you f***ing gave me.
Oh. You know what it might have been?
Oh, it does not taste like it should be in a pasta.
I know what it is. It's Thai green curry.
For f***'s sake. Are you taking the piss?
No, I'm not taking the piss.
That's
I've got
literally-
pesto that looks exactly like this.
That has killed the meal.
It has a little bit good. It's still good.
It's not.
It is.
I
It's
put
just
pepper in it as well. And now it's burning my throat.
good.
I mean, I'm
It's
still
just-
eating it.
It's just not what. Oh, I thought it was pesto.
Oh,
Oh yeah, the pesto ones are a lot smaller than this.
that really don't taste good.
It's just not a pasta dish, it's a curry dish.
With spaghetti.
So glad I didn't make this because then it would have been my fault.
It still is your fault. Use this. In fact, I've got it on camera. I just made the video. Red pesto is the best thing I've ever had.
Red pesto is better than green pesto. Actually, I don't know. They're both pretty good.
That's
Yeah, I know. It does. Tell me that don't look similar.
no, that looks like paste, mate.
Yeah, I know, but it does look a bit similar.
Green.
And the packaging that it comes in.
You were raving about them for about 10 minutes. I had to delete it all. This is the best thing.
That is good though.
Curry pasta.
You're lucky you even get curry. You're lucky you even get pasta. Oh my god.
Come again? Oh, it's the original Alien. Is that? Huh? What?
I don't know what it is.
Horror. You just say no, you don't even know what it is. Good one, John. Oh, beautiful. Alien it is.
Oh, what is it about?
Aliens.
Oh.
Can you stop breaking my van?
Mate, you shouldn't have a silly fucking Japanese
Mate, you're gonna
top.
knock the. What are you on about Japanese?
Jeez.
They always are, huh?
I did look. No, they're 100,000,000%
Let's
okay.
not do that. You shit drunk, you are.
No, I'm not. They're up here. I know it.
You'd be able to see him. Why don't you go over there and turn the light on?
Oh god, if your van wasn't so drunk, I wouldn't be so drunk.
My van's not drunk.
It's on the piss.
It's not. Oh, look at this lovely kitchen. Oh, I love watching up.
Oh, maybe I left them in the front. Sometimes I do that. Oh, there they are.
Oh, cheers.
I found them. It's okay. It's fixable.
Do you feel a bit weird camping where we're camping?
No.
50 metres away from that.
No. Well. Yeah, but a little bit weird. But we've parked in worse places. I feel. Oh, maybe we haven't.
I don't think we have much.
Yeah, but places have been spooky.
Odd. I'll see you in the morning.
Okay, good night, mate.